Hi guys, this is Ana from Ophelia. I'm one of the owners, and I'm also from Maracaibo, Venezuela. Even though my family is okay, there's a lot of families in Venezuela that are currently suffering a lot. Here at Ophelia, we did a little bit of brainstorming and we decided to give people an extra day of Ophelia. At the same time, this day, we decided to donate all the sales, 100% of them, to one certified organization that's in the ground in Venezuela called the House Project. Yeah, so it's been a great success. A lot of pastries are already gone at this time. We have a few pastries in the shelf, a lot of breakfast sandwiches, but hopefully by the end of the day, everything is gonna be gone and all that money will be donated to families in Venezuela.
Here at Ophelia, I'm very excited to help support such a great cause. Everything that's happening in Venezuela is devastating, so any little way that we can help out is definitely very appreciated. I came during my lunch break, so you know, there's a will, there's a way.
Thank you for being here today. Of course, it's 12 p.m. here at Ophelia, and we still have one more hour of service and being open. So far, we have collected almost $4,000, and people have tipped us heavily. We're gonna use that amount of tip and also donate it to the cause. So one more hour to go to keep raising funds for people in Venezuela. So that's a wrap, guys. All the pastries are gone. We are super happy with the outcome of the day. I'm pretty sure the people in Venezuela are super grateful and excited to receive this donation.